Did you know that building your meals with protein, fiber, and healthy fats can help support healthier blood sugar as part of a balanced lifestyle? Today, we're making 3 delicious meals from scratch that are satisfying, packed with flavor, and easy to recreate at home. Let's get cooking. Let's start with this creamy, cheesy garlic chicken and broccoli casserole. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and the broccoli into florets. Season and cook the chicken until lightly golden. Blanch the broccoli until bright green, then add them both to your casserole dish. Blend cottage cheese, garlic, Parmesan, mozzarella, milk, and seasonings until smooth and creamy. Pour the sauce over the chicken and broccoli. Top with extra cheese. Then bake until hot, bubbling, and beautifully golden. Finish with fresh parsley, and you can make this delicious, high-protein, cheesy chicken and broccoli casserole. The combination of protein and fiber makes it a satisfying, balanced meal. Next, we're making a fresh Mediterranean chickpea salad. Add chickpeas, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, avocado, red onion, fresh parsley, and creamy cottage cheese to a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and fresh lemon juice. Season with oregano and black pepper. Then gently toss everything together. And just like that, you can make a colorful meal packed with plant protein, fiber, and healthy fats. For our final meal, we're making creamy Alfredo completely from scratch. Mix flour and fresh eggs into a smooth dough. Roll it thin. Cut it into long fettuccine ribbons. Then cook the fresh pasta until perfectly tender. Now for the creamy sauce. Blend cottage cheese, fresh garlic, Parmesan, milk, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and a little butter until completely smooth and silky. Then gently warm the sauce in a skillet. Add the fresh fettuccine and toss until every ribbon is coated in that creamy garlic Parmesan sauce. Finish with Parmesan and parsley, and you can make a rich, satisfying, high-protein cottage cheese Alfredo right at home. Healthy eating doesn't have to mean boring meals. Combining protein, fiber, vegetables, and healthy fats can help create satisfying meals that support healthier blood sugar as part of a balanced lifestyle. Which one would you try first? Comment below and subscribe to Quick Bite Lab for more delicious, healthy recipes.